In this walkthrough, we'll build a WhatsApp campaign in Nexora. First, the template. Open WhatsApp Hub. Start a new template. Give it a name. Nexora shows a live WhatsApp preview on the left as you build. Short on ideas? Click Generate with AI. Describe your audience in a few words. For example, product added to cart but not bought. And let Nexora AI write the message for you. Nexora fills in the header, body, and formatting. All to match the intent. A last chance to save abandoned cart nudge. Ready to review, edit, and save. Once your template is saved, head back to WhatsApp Hub. Open the Campaigns tab. This is where every WhatsApp campaign lives. Reach, opens, clicks, and conversions, all in one view. Click Create Campaign. Step 1. Name your campaign. Pick WhatsApp as the delivery channel. Proceed to audience selection. Step 2. Choose live behavior. Target users the moment they trigger an event. Or choose past behavior for saved segments. Stack rules to sharpen your audience. Here, we want users who added a product to their cart in the last 10 days, but haven't placed an order yet, combined with and under match all conditions. Step 3. Pick your message. Browse your approved WhatsApp templates. Choose the one that works for our cart abandoners. Step 4. Schedule the send. Send immediately, or pick a future date. Choose who receives it. Set throttle limits, and optionally hold back a control group to measure impact. Launch. Your new campaign appears in the list, live and delivering. You'll see its status update from active to completed. As the send finishes, customers can reply. And you can reply back, all from the Chats tab. Every conversation, template, and campaign lives inside WhatsApp Hub. Head back to Campaigns anytime to track your performance.